Hi, and welcome to We Love Orchids.
Welcome back, guys.
So we're not home today. We're visiting family, but we have a box that we need to open. So we're doing an unboxing video, and this box came from Paula over at Hillbilly Orchids.
Thanks, Paula.
So what happened was she had an extra Pacific Paragon honey butter, Oncidium, right?
Yep, and Oncidium, my husband's favorite.
So
his favorite.
Our honey butter has been giving us problems. I don't know. I've been acting funny, but it's given us a lot of spikes and blooms in the past. So she had honey butter Oncidium, and we acquired it from her.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing because it's been in here a couple of days, and we need to get it out of its box. Okay. Yep. Paula, you did a great job in taping it up. Thank you. Box keep hot and cold. Luckily today is 80 degrees in New York City, so we have excellent weather.
Yeah, it's very hot. Let me get closer.
Alright, I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess. Wait, there's more than one orchid in here.
Paula, what did you do, Paula?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Paula, you want me to get excited? Oh my Lord.
Hey,
oh my Lord. Look at that. What is that?
It says Brassavola Little Stars.
Oh, Paula, you are amazing. Thank you.
Cool.
Hello, little star. You're going to be a big star in our show now. Oh my Lord, Paula. What did you do, Paula?
The third one? I mean, a second one?
Oh my goodness.
Let me see if I can get this up.
Oh, Paula, you are tremendous, Paula.
Hey, look at that.
You didn't tell us nothing. Thank you for the spike.
It's a spike from the honey butter.
Kind of made it. Thank you.
Cool. Sorry.
Oh my Lord,
good.
Paula.
Here's a spike from another.
Thank you, Paula. Yeah. Aw.
All right, cool. Oh, this looks really good. But let's see what the other orchid is before we get to the honey butter.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Paula. You're amazing.
All right, so this one doesn't have a tag, but doesn't that look like a turtle shell orchid?
I'm not sure. No, it's a different Oncidium.
Oh,
maybe
wait. It was the one that she.
Yeah. Maybe it's in there somewhere. Maybe she knows the name.
Okay. Whoa. Is that a cherry baby?
I don't know. If it is, oh my goodness, right. Paula, you gotta see her all excited.
So let's get to the. Well, it has a different name now. And now it's OIP Pacific Paragon Honey Butter.
Yeah, American Orchid Society keeps changing their names. It's beautiful. It's nice and bushy. Thank you, Paula.
Unfortunately, the new spike.
Yeah.
But it's okay because this thing grows very well.
Yeah, she blooms a few times a year. Right. Yep.
So here, I don't know how we can do
Paula,
this.
how could you? You sneaky girl.
Here they
sneaky,
are.
Beautiful girl.
All right.
Look at that.
So thank you so much for sending these to us. Well, of course, we purchased this one. But these are a great addition to our collection.
Oh, thank you, Paula.
Right. So as always, remember, we love orchids. And you should too.
You better. You better, people. Paula, you're amazing. Thank you.
All right. Bye.